So Valentine is here. Since there's no boo, we're making video for you. Hey happy people, welcome back to the channel. Today is Valentine's. There is no boo, as I said, we're making a video for you. So in this video, we're doing something Valentine themed. Ninoo is going to be spray painting an artwork that tells a story about love. I don't know how it's going to go yet, but surely it's going to be interesting since it's Ninoo. What else do you expect? That said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like what you see, tell us in the comment section, and hopefully the painting might just be yours. And also guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. That will be our Valentine's gift from you guys. Thank you.
Up in this brown. It's been a while. It's been a while. It's been